Lieutenant,
What?
under the mine I saw something move, but I managed to hold it. It fits like a hand grenade.
If you take away your hands, you'll be setting off the grenade, triggering the detonator, and then we'll both go up together with the mine. March! And now listen to me very carefully, Michel. Look me in the eye. Now, there's no rush. Just take your time, little by little. Take your hand, so that the weight of the mine is always pressing on the grenade instead.